can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask. Don't play.
Alright, so here's the deal. I have got a girlfriend named Thea, who's a total gaming fanatic. But when it comes to cleaning, not so much. That's where Narwal Freo Z Ultra steps in to save the day.
I've got time, let's get the chat to how could I explain the situation? Man, it's so damn complicated. Where do I start, where do I end? I should go back to bed. I'm going back to all the basics, teaching myself now how to erase it. It's like learning a whole new language, and I'm afraid, too scared to face it. I just want consistent clarity, but all my thoughts destroying me. Some peace of mind is all I need to get peace to all of my family. I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask, don't play pretend. You think you are everything I need, but I'm gonna leave.
Let's talk about Narwal Freo Z Ultra, the first robot vacuum that feels like it's from the future. This isn't just another vacuum, it's the world's first to feature dual RGB cameras combined with dual AI chipsets. These aren't just for show. This tech gives Freo Z Ultra true 3D vision. With high-definition 1600 by 1200 pixel cameras and a 136-degree ultra-wide viewing angle, this vacuum sees your home in incredible detail, making 1.5 million high-definition observations. Okay, what does that mean for you? Freo Z Ultra can recognize and avoid over 120 different obstacles, from Thea's gaming cables to pet toys, all with millimeter-level precision.
It's so hard to believe that one day I'll feel peace. I want control over my life. I want that driver's seat. Yeah, it's not you that I need. You push me down when I'm weak. You were never there for me. Go pick up your keys and leave. I can't go back to you, my friend.
It also supports real-time obstacle avoidance. When encountering sudden objects like falling toys, it quickly identifies them and reacts instantly, and adjusts its route to successfully dodge these obstacles. And those dual AI chipsets, well, they're like the brain of this operation, processing all that visual data in real time and adapting the vacuum's cleaning strategy on the fly. So whether it's dodging around furniture or getting into tight corners, this vacuum knows exactly what it's doing.
Can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask. Don't play pretend.
Now, onto the cleaning itself. This is where Narwal Freo Z Ultra really shines. It's equipped with AI Dirt Sense 2.0, which means it doesn't just clean, it cleans smart. This robot automatically distinguishes between wet and dry messes, adjusting its cleaning mood accordingly. For dry messes, like the crumbs Thea might leave after a snack session, it switches to vacuum mode and boosts its suction power to an impressive 12,000 Pascal. This ensures that even the smallest particles are picked up.
You try but can't get through to me. It's not you, yeah, it's always me. I close my heart to you, you see it opens up for nobody. It's been so hard to fall asleep.
But when it encounters a wet spill, like a dropped drink, Freo Z Ultra automatically switches to mop mode, applying up to 12 Newton of pressure to scrub away any residue. And it doesn't stop there. The AI Adaptive Hot Water Mop Washing System adjusts the water temperature heating up to 130 Fahrenheit for regular cleaning and up to 140 Fahrenheit to tackle tougher stains. After cleaning, it dries the mop with 104 Fahrenheit air, keeping everything hygienic and ready for the next job. This adaptability means your floors are spotless, no matter the mess. One of the best things about Narwal Freo Z Ultra is how low maintenance it is. The all-in-one base station isn't just a place for the vacuum to recharge. It's a fully automated cleaning hub. It takes care of everything from washing and drying the mop pads to emptying the dustbin. Here's the best part. The dustbin can hold up to 120 days worth of dirt, because the Freo Z Ultra automatically empties it into a 0.7-gallon dust bag using powerful updated dust compression technology. The base station also has a detergent dispenser that ensures the right amount of cleaning solution is used every time, and the hot air drying process keeps everything fresh by preventing odors and bacteria buildup. Even better, Freo Z Ultra operates at a super quiet 59 decibel, which means Thea can keep gaming without any annoying background noise. The base station is also equipped with advanced features like auto water exchange and electrolytic water sterilization, making it a truly hands-free experience. Plus, Narwal application lets you control and monitor the vacuum remotely, set cleaning schedules, and check its status all from your phone. So, if you are like me and have a partner more into conquering virtual worlds than handling housework, Narwal Freo Z Ultra is exactly what you need. With its smart AI, adaptive cleaning, and truly hands-free setup, it's made our day-to-day life so much smoother. Okay, ready to check more about this Narwal Freo Z Ultra? Check the link in the description. It comes in two colors, grey and white. Pick whichever fits your vibe. Well, if you enjoyed this review, then please don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and support honest content.
You try but can't get through to me. It's not you, yeah, it's always me. I close my heart to you, you see it opens up for nobody. It's been so hard to fall asleep. The weather always makes my nose bleed.